Hi, I'm Rishabh from Podiapro, and today I'm going to walk you through a demo of this very brand new pressure plate that we've just got from France called Podiapro 1. It's been designed to replace the Harris mat. It's a small plate, but it has 800 sensors which need no recalibration. It's a very slim plate. It weighs less than 1 kilo. It's about 1 centimeter thick, and it runs off a simple power cable like this, which is a USB-C type connector, and it has a normal USB plug on the other end. You can put this into the laptop, or you can also put it into a wall socket. So when you put out the Podiapro 1, you get the pressure plate, you get the charging cable, the power cable. Because it's a small pressure plate and it's designed to handle 1 foot at a time, we also have this accessory. This is a foam mat which is kept next to the pressure plate. So the foot which is being tested is on the pressure plate, and the other foot is on the mat, on the foam mat, so that the pelvic level is maintained. So to use the Podiapro 1 pressure plate, you need to download the app called Photo. It's available on the Play Store. So download the app and let's check it out right now.
First, you fire up the Podiapro Android app on your mobile phone or tablet and use the settings to connect it to the Podiapro 1 platform via Bluetooth. Next, you add the first and last name of the patient you want to evaluate. Optionally, you can also add their weight, date of birth and shoe size, if you'd like to store this data or display it on the report. Now, click on the first icon to conduct a static scan. The One platform allows to scan 1 foot at a time, but the software has built-in intelligence to extrapolate the data sets of both feet and give you a combined view. The foot that is not being evaluated is placed on the accessory mat so that the body is in equilibrium. The app also allows you to add a picture to the report, as seen here. For example, you might want to add a posterior view of the heels. The sensors will show the foot pressure distribution with red, yellow, green and blue, showing pressure from high to low. This helps you analyze the patient's foot arch type, if it's high, medium, low or flat. It also helps you visualize the high pressure areas and the body's center of gravity on each foot while the patient stands. You can also enter comments and add them to the report, which can be shared with the patient via WhatsApp, or email, or even sent to a printer. The static report shows the distribution of pressure between the left and right feet, the pressure in the 4 quadrants, and the anterior-posterior weight distribution on each foot. The second icon allows you to conduct a dynamic scan to analyze the patient's weight pressure distribution on their feet as the patient walks over the platform, 1 foot at a time. The dynamic acquisition begins with the left foot and ends with the right. The app then generates the dynamic report. It shows the gait lines, maximum and average pressure on each foot, and the surface area of each foot. You can also visualize, by video representation, the transition of the pressure distribution, from heel strike to toe off. You can also see the dynamic force graph, to determine asymmetries if any. The diabetic ulceration view shows the risk of the patient getting a diabetic foot ulcer, in case they're suffering from diabetic foot disorder. If the index is over 2, the patient is at a very high risk of getting a foot ulcer, at the zone depicted in the report. The dynamic scan also shows the gait line on each foot. The report shows the dynamic pressure distribution, along with the pressure distribution in different phases of the step. You can also assess the maximum pressure, the average pressure, and the surface area for each foot. For more information, or to purchase one, email us at info@podiapro.in.